Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-Class of Standard 4th. Subject Science, and today's our topic is plants. My dear students, everybody has seen the plants because there are many plants and trees are around us in our environment. As our body has different parts, our body has the different parts, no? You have learned in the third standard our body is made up of different parts like hands, legs, nose, mouth and many more things. But we are learning now plants. Plants are also have different parts like leaves, branches, stem and roots. And all these parts have different functions. Leaves prepare food for plants, fruits provide seeds for germination, roots absorb water for the plant. So these parts have different functions. There are different parts of the plants, as you can see in the picture: leaf, branches, flower, stem and roots. My dear student, here is a picture for you of mango tree. Now I want to ask you one question, that whether you are able to see the roots of this tree now in the picture. Suddenly you will say, no, we are not able to see. Why? Why the roots you are not able to see the mango tree? Because the roots are the underground part, they lies inside the soil. So it is underground part of the plant. Roots are underground part of the plant. As we grow, our body parts also develop. In the same way, as the plant grows and grows and grows, the roots of the plant becomes thick and woody. But not of all the plants. The trees which are having the life of hundreds of years, such type of plants roots are woody. Such type of plants are thick and woody. My dear student, here is a picture of the different types of roots. See, in the diagram you can see some roots are long like structure, long tube like structure. They are penetrating inside the soil. Along with that root, some hairs like structure or fine roots are arising from the long root. See the carrot. Carrot is also having a long root. It is a long root with fine hairs. Beetroot. And some roots which do not have the long root, they contain a numerous fine roots. So it is clear that all the plants do not have the same type of roots. Some having a numerous fine roots, some have long thick root. So first type of root is tap root. The different type of roots, first is tap root. So which is tap root? The root which is single and long with thin roots arising from it. You can see in the picture that long white colored portion is a long root with the thin hairs, with the thin fine roots arising from it. Such type of root is said to be as tap root. And example of tap roots are beans, ladyfinger, rose and trees like neem, people, mango, and etc. Another type of root is fibrous root. See, in this picture you are not able to see the long root. From the stem portion only, you can see the number of fine thin roots are arising like a bunch of hair, So such type of root are said to be as fibrous root. Fibrous roots are those in which many roots arises from the base of the stem. Fibrous roots are found in all cereals, means wheat, rice plants, grasses and banana. One of the most important function of the roots are soil conservation. See, if there is no plants, and the rain comes on the soil, it is the possibility that the soil can be moved away or washed away with the help of rain. But if there will be plants, the soil is seen in the picture, the roots are penetrating in the soil and these roots are holding the soil. So it is the possibility that if the rain comes, this soil will not wash out, it will not move away with the rain, because that soil is being holded by the roots. So this is the one of the most important feature of the root. So my dear student, today we learned the different types of roots, different parts of the plant. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.